What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Right now I'm inside the shop. I've been spending my birthday working on the booths, getting everything lined out the way I want them. So on this first end, it's actually going to be where I can teach fabrication and combination welding. This one here is more of stick and TIG. That one is multi-processor. This one over here is going to be flux core. So I just got to set the third booth, which is going to be a fabrication, just like that one. So it'll be two different kinds. So if somebody want to learn fabrication, or if I have a standard setup over here, somebody just wire, I have 3 different setups. Plus I can do some fabricating too on small products. So I've been getting everything lined out. So this booth is actually 4 foot. That booth is 6 foot, and then this booth is going to be 6 foot. So I'm gonna have a 6, 4, and a 6. So because the 2 bigger ones will be more for laying out and stuff like that, learning how to fabricate, cut pieces, build products. So been in here working on that, getting some more lighting set up. You see, went and got some more lighting, so that's a plus. That way it's real bright in front of each station. And they got me 1 AC, and actually going to get 1 more for down there at that window. But getting everything lined out, man, so I can get my HogOn. So a few more things to do, but I'm getting my shop lined out. I'm getting things going. So, you know, killing several birds with 1 stone. But we got to start from somewhere, you know what I mean? So just wanted to give y'all a small update, man. I'm out here grinding, so that way I can be able to help people live to be remembered, and I can also live to be remembered. So like I say, today I'm actually just in here working on the shop, getting things lined out, trying to kill several birds with 1 stone, getting ready for the gold rush, because I know there's some people that's already been contacting me to learn some welding and to gain new skills. So I want to have a nice setup for them. They can feel comfortable coming here, and we can learn. And we're also going to be teaching a few different things, because I'm going to be helping people learn how to set up their business, how to network themselves individually, and also, though, some people want to learn products. So we're going to have a few different things that we're going to be teaching on top of the 4 different welding processes. So we're going to be teaching welding processes, fabrication, and we'll be having consultation zones, starting a business, getting everything set up. So we want to be able to really help you gain your independence. So that's my goal this year, is to really focus on that. So I'm in Columbus, Georgia. This is where the headquarters is, and then I'm gonna have also a location in Atlanta. So we'll be networking in Atlanta and Columbus. I'll be going back and forth, going up there, doing classes and doing seminars and building things, and then the same thing in Columbus, Georgia. So for those in the area who want to network with me, please feel free to hit me up on my email or website. The website is www.hogonwelding.com. That's www.hogonwelding.com. The email is hogonwelding@gmail.com. And I do have a new business number, family, but I'm not, okay, you know what? I know what it is. It is 706-888-4337. So it's 706-888-4337. That's the new business line. So for those who are interested in any of my services, feel free to hit us up. Let us know. Our goal is to get our HogOn and also help you get your HogOn. Black Feniks, I'm out. Y'all be blessed.